Yeah, good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hisam Kamaldin, and this is the segment of my YouTube channel, the Trade Trends episode, where I come to practice and preach and analyze the forex market. So let's kick off with the USD JPY. We'll go over the pairs that we forecast in the last Trade Trends episodes. So let's kick off with the USD JPY. So what's happening on the USD JPY in the last trade trends episode? The market was right in this our Fibonacci zone here. Well, what actually happened was that um there was a break through the resistance line, and the market came back to retest on it. And let's go over to the daily time frame to see the clearer picture of it. Sorry guys, the network here is very very bad. Yeah. So what actually happened was that there was a break through the resistance line, and the market came to a test, and there was also a demand level right about now. So am I in this market? No, because I couldn't find the entry criteria for it. I wasn't paying close attention to it. But you can check my last trade trends episode. I forecast it. See that right when the market is in this demand level there, I forecasted that the market is going to reverse back. Actually, I wasn't paying attention. I should have entered from this bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame, but it is what it is. So we still have a lot of opportunities to the upside. So that's how it is, sha. The Fibonacci level, the confirmation of a Fibonacci level, a demand level, bearish engulfing candle. There is a lot of, and if I should check, I think it is also the third touch of the trend line of this particular trade. So there is a lot of confluence, but unfortunately I missed this trade. So how are we going to profit from it? We still have about a lot of pips to the upside. So how can we profit from it? We will then scale over to the 4 hours time frame to see what's going on. So when we scale over to the 4 hours time frame, then we can find the potential entry opportunities. So what I will just wait for is I will I will wait for pullbacks to enter the market. Actually, I should have entered from this other pullback too, but I don't know what's wrong with me. I wasn't paying close attention to it very well. So it is what it is. On USD JPY, will be waiting for pullbacks to guide the market to the upside. If I thought the market is not going to go to our um our Fibonacci extension level, it will at least come back to fulfill the 100% retracement, which is still about 160, like one that's 160.00, which is still about like a lot of pips, if you ask me. So that's it on USD JPY. So let's go over to GPB USD. So on our last trade trends episode, we discussed that the GPB USD is will come to this demand level. Actually, I took a loss on this trade because um I entered the market right after the candle there. I wasn't that conservative on it. I was very aggressive, but it is what it is. I didn't risk much on it because it wasn't the kind of trades I like to take. So what's happening on USD JPY and on GPB USD? Actually, if you want to know how we arrive at this, you should check the last trade trends episode to see how we analyze the market from the daily from the monthly time frame. So what's going on GPB USD now? Actually, things like this happen in the market a lot when there is no volatility in the market. So markets tends to behave this way. And you guys know there was a lot of fundamentals I news this last week, this week rather. There is a lot of fundamental news, so it has an impact on the market. So what are we going to do now? Well, we don't have to do much. What we just have to do on GBP/USD is to be patient. We have to be very, very patient. What we just have to do is to scale down to our lower time frame. We will scale over to the 4 hours time frame. Then we'll draw a counter trend line. We'll draw a counter trend line from the lowest point to it. We will let it slide like this. So what we just have to do is we'll be waiting for the for a candle close below this counter trend line. If we should see a 4 hours candle close that break this counter trend line, we'll be entering this market, guys. But what we have to be very, very patient. And by then the markets would have leave this zone here. So then we'll come back here to discuss it. So that's it on GBP/USD. If you don't know how we arrive at this, you should check the last three trends episode, guys. So that's it on GBP/USD. So let's go over to the Euro/USD. Actually, I'm in this Euro/USD trade. I'm still in Euro/USD trade. In the last three trends episode, we discussed that if you don't know how we arrive at the issue, you should check it because this was a support level. The market broke through the support level, and it is current. And this um this 1.08500 is a demand level and a very strong level. You can see that the market has reacted to it in the past very well, a lot. One, two, three, 4, 5. Like anytime the markets come across it, it actually reacts to it. So that's why, and the market is currently testing it. But I am having a strong sell bias on it. So I'm currently in this trade. Let's go over to the 4 hours time frame to see. Actually, initially I was waiting for something like this. The market should come over here and probably give an um head and shoulder pattern. But this seems like the right head, the left head, the left shoulder, the head, and maybe like a right shoulder will be forming. But that's it. By then we can still capitalize on the trade. But currently I'm on this trade and I'm in a drawdown. I enter the market on this close um of this candle here, of this bearish candle here. But there was a lot of news yesterday and the day before. So there was the FOMC and other news like that. So that's why the market is currently acting like this. Or we just have to initially I mean our stop loss should be above this level here. So our stop loss should be above this level here. So that's like about 1 to 1 risk to reward. The thing about the way I trade is that it doesn't have to the risk to reward doesn't have to be so great like that. You know, um, it doesn't have to be so great. What we are just trying to do is to get our skin in the game. We should enter. If we should enter from here, then we'll probably find another entry opportunity that is going to give us a good risk to reward. What we are just trying to do is to enter the market, to enter the game. We still have a lot of peep to the downside where you can capitalize on the trade. So if you should ask me, 1 to 1 is not that bad for here. I would rather take a good 1 to 1 than a 5 to 1 that is not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not saying this trade is sure, but then again, it is a good trade. So let's see how it goes on Euro USD. So that's it on Euro USD. Let's go over to the NCD USD. That's the final pair I'll be analyzing today. So let's go over to the NCD USD. Oh, sorry guys. I need to say something about GPB JPY because I should have entered this trade too, but I was very very distracted. I wasn't paying attention to it. So what happened on GPB JPY was that I was waiting. Initially when the market was around there, I was wait the thing is giving like a flag. I was waiting for it to break this level. Then I can sell up to this level here. But the market didn't do that. The market went spike up. So when the market was around there, you guys know that this is a resistance level and it has impacted in the past. I didn't want to go to the weekly time frame to show you the kind of impact it has had on the market before. But you guys can see. So the market reacted to it. So I put my Fibonacci level from swing high to swing low. You guys know I like to use this Fibonacci tool a lot. So I place it here. You know this is we the one thing about Fibonacci is that you place it on the body of the candle to get the exact thing. You guys should understand. I will place it on the body of the candle So this is the this is it. This is it. And if I should use I think if I should use my trend line, let me check something there. So this is also like the top touch of the trend line, like that of the USD JPY. I just missed this GZ trade, which is it is one of those things. You guys know I'm a student and I have other things to do. So that was why I missed this trade. But it is one of those things. Another one will come. So that's the kind of mentality that we should have. The forex market is not going anywhere. We will always find trading opportunities in the market. So that's it and there was a demand level here. So the market spike up. It has already reached the 100% retracement and it is going to the extension level. So if you are a lower time frame trader, I think you can just go on the maybe like on the 15-minute time frame for a demand level or any of your lower time frame strategy. You can use it to enter the market and ride up to 200.500. So it is still a lot of pips to the lower time frame trader. All we just have to do is to go down to the 15-minute time frame and you can probably jump on it. But for me, I don't like to take trades like this because I'm a swing trader. I always like to check. I don't like to check my chart all the time. So that's it on GPB JPY, and that's what we are going to be discussing today. So by next week, we are going to discuss the NCD USD and AUD USD and some other pairs. So that's it. Thank you guys for listening to this and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Isha Kamaldin. Peace out.